What's up? We're back over here, guys. Here comes the trash guy right now. He's dumping Pete's can right now, guys. I almost barely made it out here in time, but I just made it. So here's the trash guy right now. So I couldn't film last week because I was too busy. I'm too tired from the show. You know, whatever. Anyway, there's the trash guy right there. There's one jeans can right now. You guys did not know. Hope you like the beer so far, guys. Here he goes. Here he comes, guys. Right now, guys. Yep. I did not call them because I saw they did my street, and then I looked in there what he was about at Pete's. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe. More videos like this. Once again, the like button, if you haven't subscribed, it'll be red. If you have, it'll be gray with the notification button. And make sure once again to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.